Alright guys, another experiment today with cabbage. Let's go! So basically I have been growing this scrap of cabbage, well, for a couple months now. Mostly too lazy to put it into some soil, and that's what we're gonna do today. Actually did this recently with a carrot scrap from the kitchen. I set the carrot scrap into a jar of water for a few weeks, and then after roots started sprouting from the scrap, I went ahead and transferred that into this pot here. It's probably only sprouting about this much green from the carrot when I planted it into this pot, so as you can see it is thriving, and I don't know, is that gonna be a flower? This is edible, right? I mean, more Googling to be done, obviously. Right, back to cabbage. Alright, let's do this. Trying to make sure that the soil is actually covering up the... Alright, I gotta put the camera down. What do you think? No? Alright, it's mine. Guess we'll just check back in if I see any signs of progress or otherwise.